Hello friends, welcome to next generation of coders. In this tutorial we will talk about list. Friends, list is a mutable data type. It means it is able to change. Friends, we denoted list inside the big bracket. I show you a equal to big bracket 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma. This is called list of anything, any number, any integer, anything. As this we represent the list, and if we want to print list, then print a and then run this to see list is printed 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. And friends, we have to do indexing and slicing as the same in list also, as I told you in string. Use some example you able to understand. Print a 3 colon 5, and now we run this and the output come 5 comma 6, because when we count 0 1 2 3, the third position is 5 and the fifth position is not given, so the string last is taken. If you write more than the limit, no error have been come, no error come, but the last number is printed. When we do print a big bracket 2 colon 4 big bracket close, now when we run this, then we get the output 4 comma 5, because when we count 0 1 2, second position is 4 and upper limit is excluded here. I told you in string. When we exclude 6, then we the output come 4 comma 5. Now friends, you able to understand what happened. I give you some more example. I will give you some more example. If any doubt is come, then you can understand from the like a 1 colon 3, and when we run this, and the output come 3 comma 4. As we 0 1 1 is 3 3 and the upper limit is excluded, then we get the output 3 comma 4. So you can practice as like this. So now friends, you are able to understand. Now we talk about indexing a list. If we write print a comma bracket 2, then we get the output 0 1 2 is 4. We take more example like print a 4. We run this, output comes 6. Now in same order, if we taking the values and the output take, if we write and run this, then we get output 5. Now you are able to understand the concept of indexing and slicing in list also. When we talk about some method in list, the first method in list is append. Insert any list inside the list. If we want to do this, then we use append. Like I show you, a dot append bracket 2 comma 5 print a. We get the output 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 6 is list a, and 2 comma 5 that we want to insert. And let's take some more example, like let one more variable b equal to 8 4 comma 7 comma 9 comma, and now we want to do append dot and print and 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 till list a comma 4 comma 7 comma 9 comma till list b. And now you able to understand the concept of and now we talk about a second method, that is count. If we want to count any number, anything inside the list, that how many times it come in that list, then we use the method count. As I show you, that if we want to count 1 in the list a equal to 1 3 4 1 1 1 2 5 6, and now we print a dot count and 1, then the output come 4, because 1 come 4 time in the list, that's why it's come 4. And if we want to count 2, and we write 2 inside the bracket, and the output come 1, because 2 is 1 time. And if we want to count 7 inside this, then if we run, then output 0, because no 7 is here. Likewise, if you do in the string also, for example a equal to bracket, so likewise if we want to count the hello, then we use a dot count hello, and when we run this, output because hello is written 5 times in that list. Friend, likewise if you want to do anything, but keep in mind that if you want to write any string, you have to written that string inside a single quotation or double quotation. Keep in mind that if you want to write inside the list, also you have to write the string inside the quotation. Okay, so friends, now count is over. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question to ask, then ask in the comment box. Then as soon as possible I will reply you.